Hello everyone, yesterday we have started class plus 1 chapter first, some basic concepts of chemistry, in which we have studied significant figures, in which we have studied 5 rules for calculation of significant figures. Now today we will discuss about rules for rounding off. There are 3 rules for rounding off. First is, if the digit just next to the last digit to be retained is less than 5, the last digit is taken as such and all other digits to its right are dropped. For example, number 1.234, last digit is 4 and it is less than 5. So digit before it, that is second digit, is taken as it is. Okay, so we can write it 1.23. But in case of if the last digit is greater than 5, it is the case where last digit is less than 5, and it is the case second is the case in which last digit is greater than 5. The digit to be retained is increased by 1 and other digit on its right are dropped out. For example, in a number 1.236, last digit is more than 5. So digit before it, that is second digit, is taken by adding one number. So it is taken as 1.24 because this is increased from 5. Last digit is increased from 5. Third, if the digit just next to the last digit to be retained is equal to 5, the last significant figure is left unchanged if it is even and increased by 1 if it is odd. If the last digit is 5 and second last digit is odd number, then it is increased by 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, and right digit is dropped out. So number is 1.24. And if the second last digit before the 5 is even, so we drop the right digit and the second digit remain as it is, 1.22. So we have studied 3 rules for rounding off, जिसमें कि हमने पढ़ा फर्स्ट रूल में हमने पढ़ा एक नंबर है जिसमें कि 1.234 है, जिसमें कि लास्ट डिजिट अगर 5 से कम होगी तो जो सेकंड लास्ट डिजिट है वो एज इट इज़ ही रहेगी, ठीक है, और जो राइट डिजिट होगी वो ड्रॉप आउट हो जाएगी. एंड सेकंड रूल में हमने पढ़ा इफ़ द लास्ट डिजिट मोर देन 5, it may be, for example, this is 1.236, it may be 1.237, 1.238, 1.239, so on. So that is greater than, if last digit is greater than 5, then we add 1 in the second last digit, so number become 1.24. And if the last digit is 5, there is 2 cases in which second last digit is odd number and second last digit is even number. If second last digit is even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, then it remain as it is, 1.22 या 1.28, 1.26, 1.24 as it is. But in case of if the second last digit is a odd number, then it is second last digit is increased by 1 and right digit dropped out. So if the number is 1.235, 1.2355, 1.275, so it will become according to rule. So in this it will be 3 is increased by 1 and become 1.24. Now next topic is SI unit. There are 5 basic physical quantity and these are given following table along with SI units. Length, unit of length in meter and symbol is this small m. Unit of mass, मास को हम किलोग्राम में मेजर करते हैं और इसका सिंबल है किलोग्राम दिस. टाइम को हम सेकंड में मेजर करते हैं, टेम्परेचर को केल्विन में, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को एम्पियर में, ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी को कैंडेला में एंड अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस को मोल में मेजर करते हैं और इसके सिंबल को आपने याद कर लेना है. नेक्स्ट इज द सिंबल फॉर कॉमनली यूज्ड प्रीफिक्स इन ऑर्डर ऑफ 10. डेसी, इसको आपने याद करना है प्रीफिक्सेस को. डेसी, सेंटी, मिली, माइक्रो, नैनो, पिको, फेम्टो, एटो और इसके सिंबल याद कर लेने हैं. डेसी का होता है 10⁻⁻1. डेसी, सेंटी, मिली, माइक्रो, नैनो, पिको, फेम्टो, एटो. डेसी 10⁻⁻1, सेंटी 10⁻⁻2, मिली 10⁻⁻3, माइक्रो 10⁻⁻6, नैनो 10⁻⁻9, पिको 10⁻⁻12, फेम्टो 10⁻⁻15, ऑटो 10⁻⁻18. Next, second table in which prefixes include डेका, हेक्टो, किलो, मेगा, गीगा, टेरा, पेटा, एक्सा. इसके सिंबल याद कर लेने हैं और डेका 10⁻1, हेक्टो 10⁻2, किलो 10⁻3, मेगा 10⁻6, गीगा 10⁻9, टेरा 10⁻12, पेटा 10⁻15 and exa 10⁻18. So we have studied about rules for rounding off, SI units and symbol for of commonly used prefixes in the power of 10 in the +1 class chemistry, some basic concept of chemistry. Thank you.